everyone. So we got our brows done, and we're gonna take that pink pigment from eBay, which I love. It's like a very vibrant pigment, and I'm going to apply it to the crease. Make sure you hit the bell notification and make sure you are a subscriber, or make sure you subscribe. So I'm just gonna use windshield wiper motions back and forth to create this look. Alright, we're going to be doing what I love to do, is cut the crease. And I love this step. It makes my look complete. This is like my signature, and I feel like these are getting competitive every time. But it's been a minute since I actually sat and did a, I would say, non-cut crease look. Because I feel like my makeup is totally not done if I don't cut the crease, you guys. Just how I feel about it. And with the 3rd edition 120 color eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to be taking that gold and I'm going to be applying it right in the inner corner and halfway on the lid. Then I went in with the pink, and then I'm taking the Dior from Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette and applying it to the outer V area. Then at this point, I am just overlapping the colors. Not overlapping, but I am retouching up the colors, basically. For the blue to stand out, I went in with LA Colors Jumbo Pencil in white, but I kind of liked the white better, but then the blue was like fire at the same time. So maybe the next look I come up with, I will use the white as it. But I'll use the white, you know, for pigmentation and etc. I applied my favorite lashes, and these are from Broadway Cosmetics. After that, that should complete the look.